In this video, I'll show you what to do when it says YouTube restrictions have been turned on by network administrator. If you found this guide useful, then please consider subscribing, and once you've done that, then please consider leaving a like, and let's get right into this guide. You're probably finding this error really annoying, but don't worry because it's a lot easier to fix than you probably think. So firstly, what we need to do is go to the top right of your browser, and this guide is going to be mainly for Google Chrome, but the steps should apply for other browsers as well. So all you need to do is go to the top right and go and tap on these three dots like so, and then what you need to do is go down settings just like so. And then once you're in your settings, all you need to do is go over to the left hand side, so you've got this list of options, and you need to go and tap on privacy and security just like so. Then once you're in here, what you need to do is scroll down until you go and see the option for security once again, just here. Then what you need to do is scroll down this page here until you get to the advanced section, and what you need to do is make sure use secure DNS is turned on. It probably already is. And then what you want to do is go and select the second option which says with, and it may be set to custom or something like that. And what you want to do is just go and click on Google Public DNS. So as you can see, the DNS determines how you connect to websites over a secure connection, and that should be it. Once you go and select the Google Public DNS, that should go and fix your problem. So come back to YouTube and go and refresh by clicking on the refresh button or Ctrl+R, and hopefully that'll fix your problem. If you guys find this useful, please consider leaving a like. Peace.